subscribe for daily quizzes, and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some art installations trivia. Which artist created the Weather Project? A. Damien Hirst, or B. Yayoi Kusama or Olafur Eliasson, or D. James Turrell? The correct answer is C. Olafur Eliasson. What is the name of Christo's Wrapped Coast project? A. Wrapped Shoreline, or B. Wrapped Coast, or C. Coastal Canvas, or D. Coast of Dreams? The correct answer is B. Wrapped Coast. Which installation features stacked cars on a rooftop? A. Supermarket lot, or B. Bus station, or C. Parking garage, or D. Car wash? The correct answer is C. Parking garage. Who designed the Chapel of the Holy Cross? A. Marguerite Brunswick Stout, or B. Louis Kahn, or C. Frank Lloyd Wright, or D. Richard Meyer? The correct answer is A. Marguerite Brunswick Stout. What installation did Yayoi Kusama create in 2012? A. Pumpkin Field, or B. Love Forever, or C. Infinity Mirrored Room, or D. Starry Night Room? The correct answer is C. Infinity Mirrored Room. Who is known for the Sky Mirror installation? A. Olafur Eliasson, or B. Damien Hirst, or C. Jeff Koons, or D. Anish Kapoor? The correct answer is D. Anish Kapoor. What artwork features a series of enormous boulders? A. Easter Island statues, or B. Mount Rushmore, or C. Great Wall, or D. Stonehenge? The correct answer is D. Stonehenge. What did artist Ai Weiwei use to create sunflower seeds? A. Wood, or B. Glass, or C. Ceramic, or D. Porcelain? The correct answer is D. Porcelain. Who created the installation A Subtlety? A. Kara Walker, or B. Damien Hirst, or C. Banksy, or D. Jeff Koons? The correct answer is A. Kara Walker. Which artist is known for creating large, colorful murals? A. Keith Haring, or B. Andy Warhol, or C. Shepard Fairey, or D. Banksy? The correct answer is D. Banksy. What installation utilizes everyday materials for art? A. The Louvre, or B. MoMA, or C. The Factory, or D. The Met? The correct answer is C. The Factory. What installation features graffiti on colored walls? A. Street art, or B. Paint factory, or C. Urban decor, or D. Mural exhibition? The correct answer is A. Street art. Which installation focuses on sustainability through art? A. Art museum, or B. Nature walk, or C. Greenhouse eco garden? The correct answer is C. Greenhouse. What project features books as a form of art? A. Library of Dreams, or B. Reading Rainbow, or C. Paper Trail Project, or D. Bookshelf Project? The correct answer is D. Bookshelf Project. Which artist created Fallen Leaves in a Gallery? A. Damien Hirst, or B. Yayoi Kusama, or C. Banksy, or D. Ai Weiwei? The correct answer is D. Ai Weiwei. What installation features flowers and natural elements? A. Field of Light, or B. Nature's Palette, or C. Garden of Dreams, or D. Wildflower Exhibit? The correct answer is A. Field of Light. Who is famous for his mobile sculptures? A. George Braque, or B. Alexander Calder, or C. Henri Matisse, or D. Pablo Picasso? The correct answer is B. Alexander Calder. Who created a garden with everyday items on display? Vincent van Gogh, or B. George O'Keeffe, or C. Martha Schwartz, or D. Robert Frost? The correct answer is C. Martha Schwartz. Who is known for creating immersive environments in galleries? A. Yayoi Kusama, or B. Olafur Eliasson, or C. Anne Hamilton, or D. Damien Hirst? The correct answer is C. Anne Hamilton. What is the name of the digital light display installation? A. Light Rhythms, or B. Neon Dreams, or C. Luminary Show, or D. Prism Lights? The correct answer is A. Light Rhythms. What installation features various objects floating above ground? A. Airborne art, or B. Floating garden, or C. Suspended displays, or D. Aerial installations? The correct answer is C. Suspended displays. What installation features a wall of mirrors? A. Reflection zone, or B. Mirror wall, or C. Prism pavilion, or D. Glass gallery? The correct answer is B. Mirror wall. Which artist is known for the curtain fabric used in installations? A. Banksy, or B. Christo, or C. Damien Hirst, or D. Keith Haring? The correct answer is B. Christo. What is the focus of the cribs installation? Contemporary art, or B. Private spaces, or C. Modern designs, or D. Urban abodes? The correct answer is D. Urban abodes. Who created the iconic memorial to the murdered Jews? A. Daniel Lebskind, or B. Richard Meyer, or C. Frank Gehry, or D. Peter Eisenman? The correct answer is D. Peter Eisenman. What installation features thousands of bells? A. Carillon Tower, or B. Tower of Pisa, or C. Bell installation, or D. Music festival? The correct answer is C. Bell installation. Which artist created the Living Architecture Project? Zaha Hadid, or B. Norman Foster, or C. Bjarke Ingels, or D. DRMM? The correct answer is D. DRM. What installation includes bamboo structures? A. Bamboo orchard, or B. Treehouse, or C. Bamboo grove, or D. Garden pavilion? The correct answer is A. Bamboo orchard. What installation features lights in a dark room? A. Glow stick party, or B. Neon shadows, or C. LED dance floor, or D. Starry sky projector? The correct answer is B. Neon shadows. Who created a human figure made from wind? Andy Goldsworthy, or B. Marina Abramovich, or C. Olafur Eliasson, or D. Rafael Lozano Hemmer? The correct answer is D. Rafael Lozano Hemmer. What interactive project encourages community participation? A. The collective project, or B. Local art exhibit, or C. Social media hub, or D. Community cookout? The correct answer is A. The collective project. Which artist created the Obliteration Room? A. Banksy, or B. Damien Hirst, or C. Jeff Koons, or D. Yayoi Kusama? The correct answer is D. Yayoi Kusama. What contemporary installation involves digital projections? Virtual reality space, or B. Neon dreamscape, or C. Digital earth, or D. Art in motion? The correct answer is C. Digital earth. Who created installations involving water and light? A. Olafur Eliasson, or Damien Hirst, or C. Yayoi Kusama, or D. The correct answer is D. John Grade. What installation takes place in abandoned buildings? A. Ghost tours or B. Urban exploration, or C. Historical reconstructions, or D. Ruins art. The correct answer is D. Ruins art. Who famously used fabric to create three-dimensional structures? Claes Oldenburg, or B. Issey Miyake, or C. Frank Gehry, or D. Lucia Marcucci. The correct answer is D. Lucia Marcucci. Which artist created the Cinderella installation? A. Daniel Buren, or B. Banksy, or C. Marina Abramovich, or D. Jeff Koons. The correct answer is A. Daniel Buren. What installation invites viewers to write on surfaces? A. Wall of Fame, or B. Interactive canvas, or C. Message board, or D. Write your thoughts. The correct answer is D. Write your thoughts. Who created interactive installations with projections? A. TeamLab, or B. Yayoi Kusama, or C. Olafur Eliasson, or D. Banksy. The correct answer is A. TeamLab. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.